Three, two, one.
पापा की बड़ी पापा की पढ़ी लिखी बनती Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priyu Bole, and this is me from Guwahati. And since this is Shadi ka season, so it's my brother-in-law's Shadi, and me and my sister-in-law, we both are heading towards the famous fancy market for some of our shoppings. So yeah, that is what is that? Pumpkin! Hi! It's the pumpkin. Hello! So fancifully bole horo pai, like since childhood, not childhood in the sense when we were in college, it was our go-to place for shopping and doing everything. So today it's Sunday, I don't know whether it will be open or not, and I will be going there after I think a lot of years. So let's see. We saw local sabzi, yeah, local mass. এখানে গোটেই শাক পাচলি বজাৰ মাংস সামগ্ৰী কি লাগে আৰু চব। এয়া আমাৰ অসমীয়া ফিল্ম চিটি জ্যোতি চিত্ৰবন। ভিতৰলৈ যোৱা নাই, যাম কিন্তু এদিন। আমি গৈ আছো পাহাৰৰ ওপৰেদি গণেশগুৰি যাম। হা পাহাৰৰ ওপৰত যদি পেট্ৰল খতম হয় কি হয়? অঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। আমি পাহাৰৰ ওপৰত যদি তেল পাহাৰৰ ওপৰত তেল ভৰা YouTube, please give us the approval to put up Bollywood songs without copyright. This place is so beautiful and it's raining. এইটো আমাৰ গুৱাহাটীৰ আইফেল টাৱাৰ। গোটেইখন বগাই আমি আইফেল টাৱাৰ চাবলৈ আহিছিলোঁ। So you can see all of these small the Eiffel Tower of Guwahati, Ganeshguri, and see, we are so near it. Me and Taku will come here for a photo shoot. All of these greens. This is Guwahati Medical College, the famous GMC. Oh my god. If you see, you can see whole Guwahati here. See, this is the majestic view. Can you see those clouds? Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful, really beautiful. We are entering, means now we are heading towards Ganeshguri. No, it's Bhangagar. Where? Bhangagar. Oh, sorry. Coordinate issues. It's so chilly. Hold on, sir. অসমত আহিলে শাক পাচলিৰ বজাৰে মেইন আৰু মানুহে এনেই কয় যে ভেজিটেৰিয়ানছ কেনট সাৰ্ভাইভ হিয়াৰ বাট লুক এট দিজ ভেজিজ This is Manipuri Basti. We are heading towards Poltan Bazaar now. Poltan Bazaar. পান বজাৰ য'ত কলেজৰ টাইমত আমি কিতাপ ল'বলৈ আহোঁ বাট আজি ছানডে চ' চব বন্ধ সেয়া বুকলেণ্ড তালৈকে আহোঁ বুকলেণ্ড সেই কিতাপঘৰ আছে যে তালৈকে আহোঁ এইটো নি বৈশ্য চিল্ক এম্প'ৰিয়াম নি চ' নিউজ ফ্লেছ এইখন এটা আছে পাতালয় আমি বিচাৰি আছোঁ মেখেলা চাদৰৰ দোকান উই আৰ লুকিং ফৰ some shops and let's see what we can get. And since it's shadi time, so yeah, we both are excited. To Assam Silk House. Our first stop was Silkale in Fancy, but the collections were not that much up to the mark. So we couldn't select anything and we wanted to try something else. But yeah, the colors were really pretty and I don't know why I'm so obsessed with lavender this time. So we are coming again to these two shops. Let's see. Silkale first stop was not our choice. Let's see if we get something here. No, I don't mix part.
Mix part holo quality bhal. Ebla polycat choli billa mix.
Mix.
Color condition dhuniya baba. Eta white ase, glass to yellow. Eti phoolor logot milaise. One piece. Eta ase.
তুমি হেৰি নিউড কালাৰ
এটা কালাৰ আছে
তেনেকুৱা নহয় জানো এইটো নহয়
গাদি চোৱাচোন নহ'লে বস্তু কিন্তু এটা এটা দিছে ল'ব
এইটো চাওঁ তলৰটো এইটো পাৰ্পলটো
কালাৰিং গুণে বেয়া আছে
নট দেট মই টি চাৰ্টটোৰ নিচিনা একেই নাই এইটো নাই এইটো কালাৰ ল'লে তোমাৰ এইটা আছে এইটো নাই এইটো আছে অলৰেডি আছে মই এইটো বেলেগ ভাবিছিলোঁ নিউড টাইপ কালাৰটো So our second stop was Silkaland and you might all know that this place has really good collections but yes so if we like the colors then we don't like the design if we like the design we don't like the colors so it happened with us so we were trying to select something or the other but yeah in the end we couldn't select anything but yes Silkaland is really nice and if you want to shop for marriage or any other occasion you can simply come out here and you can select the perfect choice for the perfect wedding but yes I selected this orange one but in the end again I felt it's too orangeish it was like too bright and too much this color is also I couldn't clear out my mind with this cloth but yeah it's so pretty see the shine the glamour it was giving it was really nice but my mind was searching for some more. So our next stop was Serika Ethnics and yes we loved the clothes here as well the collection was as per our thoughts what we wanted to buy and the silk was really nice and even the guys here were so helpful with selecting the clothes the collections was also really nice here so we started checking out our manpasand ki cheeze yahan pe hi aru janeke apni dekhise bhonti already eta pasand korile and she was all the time murmuring about it but yeah she's really looking pretty in this. So we are done with our shopping number 1 aru ase more to go এতিয়া আমি আহি আছো Assam Silk by Royal Srijan আৰু চিল্ক হাউচ ইয়াত আৰু এযোৰ চাম বাট উই ডোণ্ট ন' ৱেডাৰ উই উইল buy or not because we've already got 2. Our fourth stop was Assam Silk, but the clothes here were nice but wasn't up to the mark, so we didn't liked it here. But yeah, more shops to hop. So we are done shopping, not done actually, some of the shopping is left. Let's see. Unlucky us, আমি আহিছিলোঁ এই গলিটোৰ নাম কি আছিলে মছজিদ গলি আৰু এইখনলৈ আহিছিলোঁ দিব্যা কালেকশ্যন কিন্তু সব বন্ধ জুৱেলাৰী শ্বপ আজি ছানডে কাৰণে আৰু সব বন্ধই অকল হোলচেল মাৰ্কেট খোলা আছে বাট উই ডোণ্ট ৱান্ট হোলচেল চ' উপায় নাই These are all bamboo made items, handmade. এই মুখাটো ভাল লাগিছে এই মুখাটো চোন This is very cute. It's a cute place. Yeah. Place office karna. See all of these better than Mumbai. These are all better than Mumbai.
आइए पापा की पूरी आइए उड़ के आइए उड़ के आइए
আমি we both got অধিক মাছত বগলী কলা I got my mekhla chador but not the jewelry. Just a minute. Tattoo hai. So we are done. We will come here again. But for now we are done. This is the famous Digolipuri Park. আমি চৰায়ে ঘূৰি যোৱা টাইমতে ঘৰলৈ ঘূৰি গৈ আছোঁ আৰু এতিয়া চৰাই বাহ আমাৰ চৰাই বাহনে ঘূৰি গৈ আছোঁ চব চৰাইবোৰে গুগল মিটিং কৰিব গৈছে আজিৰ দিনটো Now we are heading towards home because our shopping had to stop because now we have to go somewhere. I will show you where. So yeah, we will have to come back again and stay tuned for again part 2. हमने क्या खरीदा क्या पहनने वाले हैं everything we will show. शादी का season. Okay, so after a long day of shopping, here we are to feel blessed. It was Satyanarayan Puja at one of our friends' home and we really, felt really nice coming back here and the prasad was awesome and Satyanarayan Puja boli kole obviously cool but my snip to lokone pahari golo. Bye bye.